Whole body cryotherapy is the exposure of a person's skin to extremely cold temperatures, ranging from -150 to -170 degrees Celsius, which is roughly -240 to -270 degrees Fahrenheit, for a short period of time, generally 3 minutes or less. At these extreme temperatures, the body activates several mechanisms that produce significant long-term medical and cosmetic benefits. The outer layers of the skin are briefly frozen, activating increased production of collagen in deeper layers of the skin. Collagen is very important for skin elasticity. What happens in this process is that the outer layers of the skin become smoother and more even-toned, and the deeper layers produce more collagen, which helps with conditions such as skin aging and cellulite as the skin regains elasticity. Skin vessels and capillaries undergo severe vasoconstriction followed by severe vasodilation after the treatment. This causes toxins and other deposits to be flushed out of the deeper layers of the skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of the treatment are also used to treat chronic conditions such as psoriasis and dermatitis. The skin perfusion is improved after several treatments. The extreme cold exposure causes the body to turn up its metabolic rate in order to produce heat. This effect lasts for about 6 to 8 hours following the procedure. In this time, the body can burn between 500 and 800 calories. The increase in metabolic rate tends to last longer as treatments become more frequent. Another survival mechanism the body has to the extremely cold temperatures is the release of endorphins. Endorphins are hormones that have analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties and also help with mood disorders. In Europe, cryotherapy has been studied for the treatment of depressive disorders and is used in several hospitals. The anti-inflammatory properties of whole-body cryotherapy can significantly improve joint disorders such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Athletes are using whole-body cryotherapy to recover from injuries and to improve their performances. Cryotherapy also improves the function of the immune system and can decrease stress levels.